My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We got 12 Jordan 1 Royal Toes in the mail. I copped the Jordan 6 Hairs. I wasn't really going all out on these. Also have 3 more Royal Toes that came in the mail. So I stopped at 13 checkouts for the Jordan 1 mids. Hopefully these don't break, I really doubt they will. The rest of my Jordan 1 Royal Toe came in the mail today. I feel like this release is gonna be pretty difficult, but we're gonna be trying our best to get as many as we can. What does any of this mean? Well, I guess I'm washed. Yeezys are gonna be coming out tomorrow. That is gonna be another important release. Not as important as these though, but I do have to redeem myself. Will I be able to do it? We're gonna find out on the next episode. I got 2. That's not a bicycle crosswalk. Oh shit, slow fading. Oh, there we go. 3 checkouts now.
Concepts in Kith Live.
Oh, it's 2 actually. Fuck yeah. Alright, got 1. Let's go. Two. Damn, Phantom is killing it for me. Submitting payment. Come on, man. Oh, got 1 on Polaris.
Oh my god, finally hit one.
That Yeezy release went really well for me. I got a total of 9 checkouts. However, 2 did get canceled. 1 from Kith got canceled and 1 from Undefeated got canceled. This release was a huge mess. However, Shopify did go pretty smoothly. But when it came to Yeezy Supply and Adidas more so, it was such a bad drop for a lot of people. It seemed like this was a drop where a bunch of people didn't get a single checkout. This is probably one of the hardest Yeezy releases in the past month or so. So that being said, I think 9 checkouts is really good. And with 7 of them that's eventually going to be in hand, I am really happy about the results. By the way, a package arrived. I believe this is the first of the Jordan 1 mids that I copped last episode. Comes in a white box. Oh shoot, this is one of those shoes where it's like as soon as you open it, it just like hits you. Man, this is actually really freaking cool. The color combination is beautiful. The hang tag is a nice touch. I love this silver on the swoosh and the tongue. Super nice. As far as quality, it's pretty soft, nothing too special, but it is a very beautiful shoe. And I definitely think the prices on these are gonna go up. Not sure what the total stock on these are or whether or not they're gonna restock them again, but these are amazing. Before we move on, here is a quick sponsored announcement from Notify. This is one of the cook groups that I personally use to get my information for sneaker releases and how to cop from them. They're going to be restocking limited membership spots in a few days. So if you still need a cook group, then now is your chance. The respective Twitter accounts will tweet out the purchase link to get a membership spot at the listed dates and times on the screen. You can visit their websites for more information. On to the video. Today was a very tiring day. The release went on for such a long time, but we have another very important release tomorrow, the Jordan 1 tie-dyes. The rumored stock on these are really low in comparison to most other Jordan 1s, so I do believe this is gonna have a pretty decent resale price, but I do think this is a release that a lot of people are going to underestimate as far as difficulty. Therefore, I'm gonna try my best to get a bunch of them. We'll see how I end up doing tomorrow. Dude, what is happening? I think everything just flew. Either it flew or there was no stock. Oh my god, I got one. 2! Yes, let's go.
I'm at 4 now. Yo, KODAI is... Oh, another one. 5. Let's get it.
Stop.
How, bro? That doesn't make sense. No way.
There is no, so you're telling me I could have gotten like all of this. I would assume it says out of stock because it just can't check out, being that my zip code is blacklisted. I would have copped so many. What is happening? Like, I'm getting through and I'm killing it, but I can't check out. Bro, this is so whack. Like, you see, every time it says out of stock, it's not really out of stock because I see people in the success webhook like checking this out, right? So I'm assuming it just says out of stock because it's not letting me check out, being that my zip code is blacklisted. I would have gotten so many, like it's not even funny. Oh my goodness. There's no way, look at this. Look at this, right? And then you see all of these tasks that say out of stock because I can't check out.
Got through manually and it's the same shit.
Before we even get into what just happened, let's talk about the tie-dye release. That release was actually really hard. There's a lot of people who normally cop like a lot of pairs who wasn't even able to get a single one. So I would say the difficulty on that drop was also super duper hard, just like the Quantums. Luckily for me, KODAI held it down on finish line. I was able to get a total of 5 checkouts, and with finish line, they don't usually cancel unless they cancel it right away. So I'm very, very confident that those 5 pairs are gonna come over to my house with no problems. And then Yeezy Supply dropped what basically looks like Crocs, except really futuristic and weird looking. And those were so profitable. The retail price on those was only $75, so there is a lot of margin for profit for that. And apparently my zip code was blacklisted. I've heard of things like this happening to other people, but I would have never imagined that it would happen to me. Because I know I do cop quite a decent amount from Yeezy Supply, but I wouldn't say it's anything that warrants a blacklisted zip code. Like, there are some people who literally cop hundreds every single release, all shipped to to the same address. That's not what I'm doing. I never got like 100 click before, especially off Yeezy Supply. At the end, I got 8 webhooks from Phantom saying that my zip code got blacklisted, and I could have probably gotten way more from Polaris. And people are saying that Polaris bypasses the zip code ban, but I'm really not sure what happened there, because when I was getting the out of stock error for certain sizes, and I look at the Polaris success webhook, which automatically logs what items people are checking out, and people are literally checking out the same size that just said out of stock, and like a bunch of them too. So personally, I would say that the out of stock message maybe is just a default for when something goes wrong in the payment, such as your zip code being banned. Now, that is just my personal theory. I'm not actually sure what goes on in the back end of any of these bots, but if I had to take a guess, that would be it. But Fitzy, a buddy of mine, and somebody else from Twitter made a suggestion on how I can personally get around the zip code ban. So I'm gonna be trying that next time. Thank you guys very much for the suggestion, so I will be ready for the next Yeezy release that happens on Yeezy Supply. Anyways, 2 packages came in. First up, we have another Jordan 1 mid. Then we have the Yeezy Quantums. This one is a size 7.5, but the box is like massive. Like, what is up with this? It's just annoying for storage. It takes up too much space, but I bet these shoes are gonna look really nice in person, so we'll take a look. Oh, damn, that is sick. These definitely look way better in hand than in the pictures. However, they are really bulky though. This is like an entire size below my personal shoe size, and I'm like putting it up against my foot, and this looks huge. But I guess that's supposed to be the style of it. It's supposed to look flashy and weird and different, I guess. I'm really impressed with the shipping speed for these. I literally got these yesterday, and boom, it's at my doorstep the next day. So overall, I did pretty good for this episode's releases. We'll see if I can keep it up in the next episode.